Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add photos to your Etsy store website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we want to do in the upper right corner is going to log into your account if you have not already. So if you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, now we can get started with accessing our Etsy store by going to the shop manager option right here in the upper right corner. It's going to enable you to set up your store if you have not already. If you have, it's going to open up your store menu from where we can get started accessing it. So from here we can follow the rest of the steps on this Etsy Help Center article on how to add a listing video, as this is going to work the same for photos. So basically guys, to add a photo to your Etsy.com website, you're going to open up the shop manager just like I showed you right here, and then open up listings. By opening up the listing section, is going to enable you to choose the listing you would like to add the photo to, and in the about section you can locate the photos and video option. So once you locate photos and video, click on it and then select the blank photo icon, and just like that you're going to be able to choose the photo that you want to add to your about section. Once you have added it, it's going to appear in your about section and your customers are going to be able to see it, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.